English French. Can you? Say.
Peux-tu?
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, ready to power up your French and have some laughs on the way? This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for free resources, transcripts, and drills. Today's star phrase is
Peux-tu?
the friendly, informal way to say, can you, to a friend. Let's make your request smooth, polite, and a little bit charming. Your goal today. By the end, you'll confidently ask for help, favors, and tiny miracles in French. You'll use
Peux-tu?
in everyday moments.
Peux-tu aider Marie?
Equals can you help Marie?
Peux-tu venir à 18h?
Equals can you come at 6 p.m.?
Peux-tu ouvrir la fenêtre, s'il te plaît?
Equals can you open the window, please? Forms and tone. Match your request to the situation, friendly or extra polite.
Peux-tu?
Equals informal and friendly.
Tu peux.
Equals also informal, statement turned question, a bit softer.
Pourrais-tu?
Equals more polite, still informal.
Pourriez-vous?
Equals formal or plural. Negative twist.
Peux-tu ne pas oublier?
Equals can you not forget? Mini dialogues. Listen and imagine you're in each scene, then repeat out loud. A. I can't carry this. B.
Peux-tu porter celui-ci?
A. Sure. A. My hands are full. B.
Peux-tu ouvrir la porte, s'il te plaît?
A. I lost my keys. B.
Peux-tu regarder sous le canapé?
A. Good call. A. The shelf is too high. B.
Peux-tu attraper ça?
A. I need to write. B.
Peux-tu me prêter un stylo?
A. It's too loud. B.
Peux-tu baisser la musique?
Comedy break. Let's make memory sticky with a silly scene. Picture a cat in a tiny beret tapping its bowl.
Peux-tu remplir ma gamelle?
If a Parisian cat can ask nicely, you can too. Rhythm drill. Clap along and speak the beat, your tongue loves rhythm. Beat. Clap clap, snap, say.
Peux-tu?
You.
Peux-tu venir?
Coach, nice. You.
Peux-tu aider?
Coach, smooth. You.
Peux-tu ouvrir la fenêtre?
Coach, nailed it. Mnemonic. Need a cue? Ask with.
Peux-tu?
Culture tip. A tiny extra politeness goes a long way in French. With friends.
Peux-tu?
Is perfect, add.
S'il te plaît.
To soften. With strangers or formal situations, prefer.
Pourriez-vous?
Or.
Pourriez-vous indiquer la route?
Remember, tone and a smile matter as much as words. Quick quiz. Test yourself. Say the answer out loud before I reveal it. Q1. How do you say, can you, to a friend in French? A.
Peux-tu?
Q2. Make it extra polite, still informal. A.
Pourrais-tu?
Q3. Formal to a stranger. A.
Pourriez-vous?
Q4. Translate. Can you lend me the scissors? A.
Peux-tu me prêter les ciseaux?
Q5. Translate. Can you not forget? A.
Peux-tu ne pas oublier?
Your speaking challenge. Now it's your turn, speak clearly and with a smile. 1. Ask a friend to open the window, politely. Model.
Peux-tu ouvrir la fenêtre, s'il te plaît?
2. Ask a friend to come at 6. Model.
Peux-tu venir à 18h?
3. Ask to borrow scissors. Model.
Peux-tu me prêter les ciseaux?
Bonus remix, softer.
Tu peux répéter.
Super polite.
Pourriez-vous répéter, s'il vous plaît?
Wrap up. Great job today, you showed up and spoke up. Thanks for listening, keep practicing.
Peux-tu?
With everyday verbs like
Venir, aider, ouvrir,
and.
prêter.
This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more lessons, drills, and freebies at www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time, and until then, small requests, big confidence.